Pag pinapakinggan ko to, naiisip ko yung relationship namin ni Ayon. Parang ito yung song talaga na nagsasabi na kahit hindi araw-araw masaya, okay lang yun. Pero kahit hindi, sa mga araw na hindi tayo masyadong masaya, pinipili pa rin natin ang isa't isa. Kahit feeling natin nasa dulo na tayo, pinipili natin ang isa't isa. Laging si Ayon ang naisip ko, pero nung huli kong sinound trip ko, naisip ko, ay, ganito din yung relationship ko with ABS-CBN. When all the not-so-beautiful things happen to the company, to ABS-CBN, parang ang hirap, di ba? Ito yung test ng gaano kalalim ang pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa. Di ba? Na-prove at na-test yung love natin, how deep our love for each other is. Parang sa ngayon, choosing to still be in ABS causes me so a lot of hurts, pains, and sacrifices. But those are very meaningful hurts and pains and sacrifices. Kaya, to ABS-CBN, even we feel like we are both on the edge of our glory, I promise to hold on to you. Kahit naman ako sa datong to, tsaka sa tagal na ng show tayo, feeling parang kawali na kami. Parang kailan pa ba to, parang kawala na. Parang feeling ko everyday, nasa edge na ako ng glory. Pero God is so good na parang, di pa, just wake up, just show up, just do it. At kaya sumadlang people, kahit nasa edge na ako ng glory ko, maraming salamat. Pinaparamdam sa akin that you still choose to hold on to me and stay with me on the edge of my glory. So this song is for all of you. Pero antayin nyo lang ako, mabilis lang ako. Mabilis lang to. That it's you should take me home tonight. I need a man that thinks it's right when it's so wrong tonight, yeah, baby. Right on the limits, we know we both belong tonight. It's hard to feel the rush, push the tensions. I'm gonna run right to the edge with you. We can both fall for your love. I'm on the edge of glory, and I'm hanging on a moment of truth. Out on the edge of glory, and I'm hanging on a moment with you. I'm on the edge, the edge, the edge, the edge, the edge, the edge, the
wanna run right to the edge with you. Oh, we can both fall far in having a moment with you. Out on the edge, out on the edge, out on the edge with you. Out on the edge, oh, out on the edge, 'cause I'm on the edge with
Just clap with my hand with the
Gusto ko tumanaw siya. Sa lahat ng rehearsal ayaw tumanaw ko. Thank you very much.